Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram call errors on the Telegram application. So let's get started right away. While you're using the Telegram application, if you're trying to make a call for someone by tapping on the call icon, but your call just doesn't seem to work, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. Simply long press on the Telegram application and then tap on the info button. This will now take you into the Telegram application settings page. From here, simply tap on permissions and now make sure that the phone permission is set underneath allowed. If you see it underneath not allowed, then simply tap on it and make sure that the allow option is selected. Now you can go back and try placing a call once again and see if this works. If it still doesn't, then go back to the settings and then tap on the force stop button. Then tap OK to force stop this application and then tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, first of all tap on clear cache and then tap on manage storage. From here you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on clear local database to clear all of your user data. And now if you go back to the Telegram application, you will be asked to grant access to your phone once again and also your microphone. Once you grant those, your Telegram call will begin to work once again. And that is how easy it is to fix Telegram call errors on the Telegram application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.